In this video, I'll show you how to enable or disable auto capture for your TECNO CAMON 50 Pro or 50 Ultra camera. So launch the camera app, and under camera you want to swipe across like this to this flash snap option. Now to enable auto capture, all you have to do is tap on this icon down here, just like that, and as you can see, auto capture is going to be enabled and the icon is going to turn yellow. Now when this option is enabled, it allows you to quickly capture photos of moving subjects, people who may be jumping, if it's a group photo of people jumping, or someone dancing, or someone running or playing. It really detects that movement and captures that photo in good condition as long as the lighting is okay. So with that option enabled, you're able to capture photos like this one. This is a photo of me jumping, and this is all taken automatically as long as the camera is pointed at your subject. Now, with that option enabled, you can also toggle this option on, this option right here. And this option basically allows you to focus on the subject when enabled, and a blur effect is applied to that subject after you shoot that particular photo. So an example of that photo is a photo like this one. As you can see, it's different from this one. This one is not blurred, but this one has a blur effect all around it so that you can be able to focus on the subject. Now, to disable flash snap or auto capture, all you have to do is simply tap on that icon once again to turn it off like that, and you can also tap on that icon to disable the blur effect. That's basically how to enable or disable flash snap or auto capture on your TECNO CAMON 50 Pro or 50 Ultra. Let me know if this worked down in the comment section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Take care and God bless.